in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southeastern Mercer County in eastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania by 3 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms from near Breakerville to Strasburg to Minnesota, moving at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely. Locations impacted include Reading, Westchester, Kennett Square, Birdsboro, Oxford, Sydney Springs, Parkersburg, West Grove, Beckhamsville, and New Morgan. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern Delaware and southeastern Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Tornado go once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to a tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern Delaware and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties.